How to make yummy food. This video has been produced by an artificial intelligence. Leave a comment with a topic for the next video. There are a lot of different ways that you can make yummy food. Some people might think that it is difficult to make good food, but that is not the case. There are a lot of different recipes that you can use, and you can also get creative with the ingredients that you use. In this blog post, we are going to discuss how to make some yummy food. One of the best ways to make yummy food is to use a slow cooker. A slow cooker is a great way to cook food slowly and evenly. This is a great way to cook meat, and it is also a great way to cook vegetables. You can put all of the ingredients into the slow cooker, and then let it cook for a while. This is a great way to cook food, and it is also a great way to save time. Another great way to make yummy food is to use a grill. A grill is a great way to cook food evenly, and it is also a great way to cook meat. You can put all of the ingredients onto the grill, and then let it cook. This is a great way to cook food, and it is also a great way to entertain guests. If you want to make yummy food, you should also use high-quality ingredients. You should use fresh ingredients, and you should also use quality spices. If you use high-quality ingredients, your food will taste better. In addition, you will also be able to cook your food more evenly. Another thing that you can do to make yummy food is to get creative with the ingredients that you use. You can use different spices, and you can also use different types of meat. In addition, you can also use different types of vegetables. If you get creative with the ingredients that you use, your food will taste great. If you want to make yummy food, you should also make sure that you cook your food properly. You should cook your food at the right temperature, and you should also make sure that it is cooked evenly. If you cook your food properly, it will taste great. In conclusion, there are a lot of different ways that you can make yummy food. You can use a slow cooker, a grill, or high-quality ingredients. You can also get creative with the ingredients that you use. In addition, you should make sure that you cook your food properly. If you follow these tips, you will be able to make some yummy food. Thanks for watching.